Hello guys, welcome to my video. I am going to show you how to fix printer error code 006. Look, whenever we try to connect the share printer, it shows error code 006. Now showing code error. Okay, let's get started. First, we will open the registry editor. The path to the registry editor is given in the description. Search for the providers folder and delete it. Then go to services.msc. And restart the print spooler service. Now try connecting to the shared printer. Still the same problem. Okay, we will try the next step. Now we will go to the server PC, then open the registry editor and grant some permission. Open H key current user, then system, then current control set 001, then control. Find print. Now given some permission. After giving the permission, go to HK local machine, then software, then Microsoft, then Windows NT, then current version, then print, then printers, then increase the value of reset dev modes. Next, then open gpedit.msc and select administrative template, then select printers. And find add print wizard, select enable, then OK. Then next find option is add printer wizard, network scan page, manage network, same enable, then OK. Next find the option printer browsing, same enable, then OK. Close the window and open the services.msc and restart these three services: server, workstation and print spooler. Now try connecting to the share printer. Still same error? Okay, now the next step. Now we will go to the server system. Open user accounts, enable the administrator account and set a password. Now you will go to the Ethernet option and enable password protected sharing. Now you will go to the client PC, open Credential Manager, then go to Windows Credential and add the server system's administrator credentials. Most of the time editing these credentials resolves the other share printer issue, such as error code 007. After adding the credential, when you try to add the shared printer, it will ask for login details. Enter the server system's user ID and password, Check remember, click OK, then connect. Still the same error. Okay, now for the final step. Now we will go to the client PC, download the printer driver according to the printer model and install it manually. Now I will connect the share printer. Our CR printer is now connected. Now we will remove the driver we installed manually. That's it. The problem is solved. Thank you. Please like and subscribe my channel.